If wild animals played American football, this would be the dream team. Wide receiver, panther, agile, fast, sleek curves. Defensive lineman, rhino, massive strength, unstoppable force. Quarterback, falcon, swift, precise, eagle-eyed. Running back, cheetah, blazing speed, elusive moves. Linebacker, grizzly bear, powerful, ferocious tackler. Cornerback, gazelle, quick, graceful, intercepts passes. Tight end, gorilla, strong, agile, mismatch creator. Safety, tiger, agile, strategic, interception specialist. Kicker, kangaroo, powerful leg, accurate field goals. Offensive lineman, elephant, massive size, impenetrable wall. Head coach, owl, wise strategist, keen vision.